Hello everybody. I have already told you how to find out the cube root of a number and cube root of a perfect cube and square root of a imperfect number. Now I am going to tell you how to find out the square root of a perfect square. For that you got to remember the squares of numbers up to 20 for all competitive examinations. Clear? Now since you have to find out the square root of a number, so take two digits from the right and the rest digit keep it separate. And here see the unit place. The unit place digit is 1. So the possible cases is 1 here and here also 1. That means 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So there is the possibility of getting 1 or 9 in the unit place. So the trick is that, see here, if the unit place is 1, so either it will be 1 or it will be 9. That means 9 plus 1 it is 10. If the unit place is 4, so there is a possibility of 2 or 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. If the unit place is 9, then there is a possibility of getting 3 or 7. That means 7 plus 3 it is 10. If one of the digit is known and the other one you can obtain. 9 minus 10 minus this one. That means if 1 is here, the 10 minus 1 it is 9. So the other number may be 9. So see here, take this number. 9 lies between these two numbers, 9 and 16. So take the smaller number is 3. So write 3 here. So now either it will be 31 or it will be 39. So how to find out? So multiply 3 with the next digit, it is 4. So 3 4s are 12. If this number is less than 12, then take the smaller one. If this number is greater than 12, then take the larger one. So since 9 is less than 12, so take the smaller one. So answer will be 31. Clear? Again see here. Take these two pairs and this one. 76, the unit place is 6. So 6 means 4. Either 4 or another one will be 6. Because 6 plus 4 it is 10. Clear? So now 5. 5 lies between 2 and 3. So it will be 2. Take the smaller one. Then 2 into its next digit. It is 3. So 2 3 is 6. So 5 is less than 6. So take the smaller one. So it is 4. 24. Again, take your 2 digits from the right and then this one. So the unit place is 4. 4 means 2. So if one of the digit is 2, then the other possibility is 8. So either it will be unit place will be 2 or the unit place digit will be 8. So 17. See here, 17 lies between these two numbers, 16 and 25. So the smaller one is 4. So write it 4 here. So I have told you 4 into 5, it is 20. So 17 is less than 20. So you should take the smaller one. It is 42. Here, similarly, take 2 digits here and then the rest here. So the unit place is 9. So 9 means 3. So if one of the possibility is 3, then the other possibility is 7. Because 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So it is 106 here. So 106 lies between 10 and 100 and 100. So the smaller number is 10. So you should write 10 here. Now 10 into 11, it is 110. So 106 is less than 110. So you should take the smaller number, that is 3. So the answer is 103. So take 2 digit here from the right and then the rest digit. So 16, the unit place is 6. So 6 means it is 4. So the possibility of a unit place is, possible digit is 4 or 6. Because 4 plus 6 is 10. So 21. So see here, 21 lies between 16 and 25. So the smaller number is 4. So write 4 here. So 4 into its next digit, it is 5. So 5 4s are 20. So 21 is greater than 20. So you should take the larger one. That means 6. So answer is 46. Here. So this is the rule by which you can find out the square root of 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number or 7-digit number also you can find out. Okay. Simply you have to remember up to 20 squares of 20 numbers. Up to 20. You will remember these things, then you can easily find out the square root of a perfect square number. Okay, thank you.